The Vest Video Doorbell exceeds all others in that it allows full motion capture, the advantage of which just isn't comparable to any other thing. I argue this mainly because all the other devices, although they're cheaper, the yearly cost of the Skybell is nothing, and the yearly cost of the Ring is only about $30. But you're only getting video motion, and you're only getting the video motion that the doorbell itself recognizes as valid. This is the problem. If you miss an instance, alright, so maybe in front and the person rings the doorbell, but they're only going to be getting what the doorbell deems is necessary, not the wisdom of a human. And we're not asking for the wisdom of a human. I can't afford to pay a person $15 an hour to sit and watch my door all day. But I can pay $200 for a camera and then a really reasonably low amount of money per year to just be able to watch all that video as a playback. And then I can see, using my human intelligence or the experience that I have, to know that motion, the moving of the plant or the moving of the cars or the noise, that's not inconsequential to me. But if it doesn't see something I want it to see, or if it captures something that I wasn't even expecting it to capture, I can go back and check. The motion detection alone will not tell me hardly anything. I mean, yes, it happens to be motion, but it doesn't really define the full identity. It doesn't give everything I could possibly want.